pissing down with rain, everything's getting wet. Fuck that, we'll sort that in a minute. The multimeter's getting soaked. But it doesn't sound super healthy, to be fair. It's got a bit of a shudder on. Actually, that might be the exhaust. It sounds ropey. But it is running. Kinda.